Hello, and welcome to a tutorial on solving two-step equations. When solving an equation, the goal is to find the value of the variable that makes the two sides equivalent. So if we use algebra tiles, we have 2x plus 3 equals 5. We see our two x's. We have three positives with it. The line means equal, and 5 positives on the other side. Remember, we want to find the value of one positive x tile. What can we do to get only x tiles on one side? We first make 0 pairs with the 3 positives, and that means putting 3 negatives on each side. Algebraically, or with just our steps, the opposite of plus 3 is to subtract 3. So we subtract 3 on both sides, just like we put negative 3 on both sides. Remember to please pause the video anytime you need extra time. Now that we have 0 pairs, what do we do to find the value of 1x? We divide the tiles evenly between the x tiles. There's 2 tiles remaining and 2 x's. Each x gets a tile. Algebraically, 2 times x equals 2. The opposite of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. So we get x equals 1. Now, wouldn't it be great if we could check to see if our answer is correct? It sure would. So we can replace the value of x, which we found for this problem to be 1, and then we check. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. The left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation. That means the value of 1 we found for x is true. If we were to look at it on a calculator, the calculator would do all of the calculations for us. In a table, the x value of 1 has a y1 value of 5 and a y2 value of 5. When the two y values are the same, that is the value of x that makes the left side and the right side true. If we were to put it on a number line, we have x equals 1. There is one dot at the 1 because it is an equation and there is one solution that makes it true. So let's do another example. 4x minus 2 equals negative 10. Our first job is to add 2 to both sides. We get 4x is equal to negative 8. 4x means to multiply. The opposite of multiply is to divide. 4x divided by 4 leaves you with 1x, and negative 8 divided by 4 leaves you with negative 2. If we were to put it on a number line, we have a dot at negative 2 because there is only one value where this equation is equal. We can check by replacing the value we find for the x and solve. So we want to know, is 4 times negative 2 minus 2 equal to negative 10? 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 minus 2 is negative 10. Since the left side of the equation is equal to the right side, then we know our value for x is correct. Example, negative 2x minus 5 equals 5. Our first job is to add 5 to both sides. Negative 2x is equal to 10. The opposite of this multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide by negative 2 on both sides. Negative 2x divided by negative 2 is a positive x. Positive 10 divided by negative 2 is a negative 5. We can put a dot at negative 5 because it is the one solution that makes the inequality true. We should check. 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Since the left side of the equation is equal to the right, then we know our value for x is correct. X over 2 minus 1 equals 5. Our first job is to add 1 to both sides. X divided by 2 equals 6. The opposite of dividing by 2 is to multiply by 2. I multiply by 2 on both sides. 2x over 2 simplifies down to 1x. 6 times 2 is 12. The value for my x is 12. As we go check, we replace the x with the number 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. When we first look at this example, we notice that there is distribution that we need to take care of. 2 groups of 3x is 6x. 2 groups of positive 1 is a positive 2. We do nothing to the negative 10 on the other side because there is nothing to multiply it with. This 2 only goes with the parenthesis that follows it. I will subtract 2 to both sides. 6x is equal to negative 12. I will divide by 6. X equals negative 2. To check, I will take my original problem and replace this x at the top with the value of negative 2 that I found. 3 times negative 2 is a negative 6. Negative 6 plus 1 is a negative 5. 2 times negative 5 is a negative 10. Since the left and right side are equal, we know the value of x must be true. These are the notes that we took in class today in your green foldable. If you did not get this example written down, please feel free to write it down now. I know this video went a little bit fast, but please feel free to watch it again and pause as many times as you need to.